Story title: The Arrogant Turtle and Its Destructive Power. In the deep Pacific Ocean, many turtles lived. Among all those turtles, there was one that looked very strange. Its body was like a turtle, but its face appeared like that of a human. All the other turtles were frightened when they saw it and kept far away. This turtle always swam alone in the deep sea. The turtle was filled with anger towards humans, because its face resembled that of a human. For this reason, no other turtles ever came near it. As time passed, the turtle slowly grew bigger. With its growth, its strength also increased to the level of an elephant. One day, a boat came into the sea. There were 4 people sitting inside. That day, the turtle was swimming near the surface of the sea. When it saw the people in the boat, it became furious. The people in the boat saw the turtle's human-like face and thought a man was drowning in the sea. So, they moved their boat closer to help. But as the boat came near, the turtle attacked the humans with all its might. It killed all the humans and drank their blood. After drinking their blood, the turtle became even stronger. It found human blood very delicious. From then on, whenever a boat came, the turtle overturned it, killed the humans, and drank their blood. That blood gave it immense strength. Soon, it became so powerful that it could even sink large ships. Seeing its strength grow, the turtle became very arrogant. It began eating fish and other creatures living in the ocean. The arrogant turtle started believing that no one could ever kill it, and that it would live forever. One day, the turtle reached the coast of South America. It raised its human-like face above the water to rest. Suddenly, huge anaconda appeared. Seeing the turtle, the anaconda came to eat it. The anaconda opened its mouth and tried to swallow the turtle. The arrogant turtle struggled hard to escape, but the anaconda swallowed it completely and went away. Moral of the story: arrogance and cruelty, no matter how much power they bring, always end in destruction.